IAS Indian Administrative Service, IPS Indian Police Service, DIG Deputy Inspector General, MBBS Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, IG Inspector General, SSP Senior Superintendent of Police, DSP Deputy Superintendent of Police, SDM Sub-Divisional Magistrate, BA Bachelor of Arts, MA Master of Arts, BTech Bachelor of Technology, BSc Bachelor of Science, MSc Master of Science, CID Criminal Investigation Department, CBI Central Bureau of Investigation, WHO World Health Organization, UNO United Nations Organization, BBC British Broadcasting Corporation, DSc Doctor of Science, BCom Bachelor of Commerce, MCom Master of Commerce, IFS Indian Forest Service, IIT Indian Institute of Technology, ITI Industrial Training Institute, DM District Magistrate, SDO Sub-Divisional Officer, OTP One Time Password, PIN Personal Identification Number, QR Code Quick Response Code, SMS Short Message Service, MMS Multimedia Messaging Service, Wi-Fi Wireless Friendly, GPS Global Positioning System, KYC Know Your Customer, PDF Portable Document Format, PNG Portable Network Graphic, www World Wide Web, PAN Permanent Account Number,